Hello Kannada. Today we are going to talk about Kannada channels which has been published on DD Fidish for a long time but has not been able to provide its service yet. Today we are going to discuss this. At the beginning of the video, I request you to like and share the video. We always try to reach you with the right information. You should also try to give the right news to others. The channels has not been added for a long time. What the reasons of all this? Due to which there is some other problems due to which we are not able to watch Kannada channels. By the way, there are many channels of DD Fidish series on DD Fidish platform. Among them there is also a channels of DD Fidish DD Kannada, but it is not available anywhere like during the action. It is available on many big channels, but other channels are still waiting and waiting. When will that channels be broadcasted? Add it the slots of DD Fidish platform, and we will watch them. Friends, I would like to tell you that there are two or three reasons for all this. Or the of the main reason is that we are attracted towards big channels on only on DTH platform. We only watch big channels there, due to which of regional language channels are left behind. You do not watch them, due to which the TRP of these channels going down, and the broadcaster feel that they cannot spend more money on these channels, which no one even watches. So these channels are shifting to some other satellites and added to a new satellite for testing. That too in C bands for testing. Due to this, these channels slowly disappear, but people want to watch every channel, want to watch channels for every regionless. At the present, Bhojpuri channels are the most in the DD Fitish, following the by news channels in second place and a Hindi movies channel in third place. Recently, some Hindi news channels have also won slots in the uh, full auction, but no regional language channels is participating in the DD Friedish auction. The reason being that the broadcaster does not want to invest the money or bring down the TRP of small channels. The possibility of channels come on these platforms is created when you watch these channels. People watch these channels due to which of the TRP of the channels goes up and it is visible to the world. Then these channels are specially interested in different platform. The only reason of this is that they are established and entertainment for the people. Their regional language channels should be given maximum importance so that in future you can easily reach them of the other platform without any charges. But it is the also not the case that busy channels will never comes if they can participate in the broadcaster option and can also win these slots. The regional channels still watch have been giving different numbers in different baskets. They can participate in these baskets whose price in cheaper. You will see these videos or other. You must have liked this effort. If you like our effort today, then definitely like and share the video and also subscribe to this channel or channels it is connected to DTH. If you are facing any distraction related problem, then comment to us immediately. We will wait to your दोस्तों comment and we will provide to you full दोस्तों help. Thank you.